Today I will share a repair we did on the Ferrari 488 GTB. The fault is that the shock absorber wouldn't adjust itself. We've checked the suspension module. We briefly checked the circuit board and found no short circuit issues. Let's see the fault codes. We can see that the suspension module prompts ECU errors. So let's click the suspension button now, and the light will come on. Normally, it will pop up a rough road prompt if we hold down the shock absorber button, but now there is no response at all. Let's dismantle it and take a look again. Later. Now we have installed the suspension control unit after completing the repair. We read the fault codes again, and we can see that the ECU error is now missing. Clear this error, and then check again. We'll find there are no fault codes now. Now, let's press the button. Pressing the button will pop up this prompt if the repair is successful. It means suspensions are adjusting themselves again. Then we'll read the fault codes again. Now this fault code has been perfectly resolved. If you have any questions, feel free to contact my supercar expert.